Hi everybody, it's Emma here from Just Fabrics, and today we're going to show you how to make a no-sew fabric Christmas bauble just like these ones. So today you'll be using Magical Forest Navy, a polystyrene ball, some ribbon, some pins and some scissors. So the first thing you'll need to do is cut out your fabric. So you'll need to measure out your fabric, which is approximately 30 by 30 in size. So now you'll need to measure out your ribbon. So I would make it approximately sort of 30-40 centimetres long. And then you'll also need to measure out one for a handle, which can be about 10 centimetres long. So now to make the handle, take your piece of ribbon and a ball-headed pin, place it on top of the polystyrene ball and press the pin in. So now bring the corners of your fabric up into the centre of the polystyrene ball, ensuring that your handle is out. You just pull the corners to sort of neaten the edges, and then wrap around the ribbon to secure. Now create a bow at the front. Neaten the top if you have excess fabric. And now you've got yourself a finished Christmas bauble.